Hey everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to review QuickBooks Payroll, one of the most popular payroll services for small business. Let's get started. QuickBooks Payroll is known for its seamless integration with QuickBooks Accounting, making it ideal for businesses already using their software. The setup is straightforward. The platform offers features like automated payroll, tax filings, direct deposit, and benefits management. You can run payroll in just a few clicks, and it automatically calculates taxes for you, which is a huge time saver. One of the standout features for 2024 is the new same-day direct deposit option for QuickBooks Premium and Elite plans, which means your employees get paid faster. The platform also offers automatic tax penalty protection for the Elite plan, which covers any IRS penalties or interest due to payroll errors. So, is it worth it? Well, if you're already using QuickBooks for accounting and want a payroll solution that integrates seamlessly and smoothly, then QuickBooks Payroll is a solid choice. But if you need more advanced HR features or are on a tight budget, you may want to explore other options.